Welcome to our YouTube channel, traders. So currently we are seeing a parallel channel breakdown, and I'm just waiting for a closing. We will take the trade when we get a downside closing. I have already added our option, so we will wait for our closing. And even even so, if this candle directly will come down, so we are not going to take the trade. We will wait for a proper closing and proper retesting. Okay, so we got the closing. Just I'm just taking the trade. Okay, we are in the trade. I executed my trade on my mobile phone, so let's wait. The premium is premium is increasing. This zone. Okay, so yeah, we will get the target. Yeah, it has already by. Oh, see, the premium the premium are not increasing according to candle. I think let's wait. It's just the starting of the trade. We have to wait till our full target. So you can analyze how much you want to analyze when you are not in the trade. But when you are in the trade, you just have to stick to your target or stop loss. See, okay, so premium started increasing. Yeah, we will book around 5380 level because that's a kind of a strong support. So and that we are against the trend. So I don't want to lose the profits. So let's wait. Let's wait. Okay, so I think I'm expecting again a big candle from here. Okay, almost. Okay, so we have booked the maximum quantity around the support level. Um, I don't think we will get some trailing option. Actually, I had very less quantity. So okay, so now I'm booking my lots. Already reached to our level. Here I will book my maximum quantity. We got around 1:6. So that was a good trade. Profit is around 2148. Thank you.